click on that subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's hop in straight into the charts. So guys, this is a very good development. We can see that Bitcoin has broken out of this trend line. Okay, so for the past weeks and months, Bitcoin has been trading within this trend line that you see here. We've been trading within this trend line. Okay, anytime we hit this trend line, we tend to drop. Okay, we hit it here, we dropped. We came here, almost touched it, dropped again. We came here to this point, touched it, and then we had this drop. And for the past 2 weeks ago, we've been battling with this trend line. And mind you guys, I informed you that the market has bottomed. I told you guys that the market has bottomed. So for those of you that were able to purchase Bitcoin at these prices, I think right now you're actually at a very high advantage. Okay, because I informed the premium members, I told them to long Bitcoin. Okay, I took a Bitcoin long with 10x. I took that Bitcoin long for like 3 times. I've opened 10x multiple positions for Bitcoin. Okay, and I informed those in the premium channel that they should join me as well, the futures trading channel. I told them to join me in taking that trade for Bitcoin. So currently guys, Bitcoin is around $88,000. Okay, we are at $88,000, and I'm actually expecting something to happen. Okay, and I just want to give you guys this updates. As many of you that are following the Crypto Prophets, I want you guys to have this information. It is very, very important. Now, this is the important information. Currently, Bitcoin is trading within this green line. Okay, now we've been able to break out of this pattern that we've been in for the past, let's calculate the number of days, guys. So guys, for the past 84 days, okay, for the past 84 days, we've been inside this pattern, and we have finally broken out of this pattern. Okay, for the past 84 days, we've been inside a certain pattern, okay, for Bitcoin, and we have finally broken out of this pattern. Just like I told you all, I said this market is turning bullish. The market is turning bullish as the days go by, and you all can see the evidence. Okay, at some point it was as though we would keep on dropping, but you see, I still maintained and told you guys that, listen, I do not see this market dropping further. Rather, I'm seeing reliefs. I'm seeing a bull run. And true to my words, you guys can see that for some days now, the market has been forming bullish trends. Like, it would look like it's dropping, deceiving a lot of people. A lot of people would short it, and then before you know it, it just picks up from nowhere and start liquidating people. So guys, as the days go by, you would see more strength entering into Bitcoin. Like I told you guys, I said I'm seeing Bitcoin heading to 110, 112, okay, 120, 125. There's a very high possibility. But now let me show you guys the price targets. No, not the price targets. Let me just show you guys the range, okay? And I'm doing this because you are following the Crypto Prophet, so I need you guys to just have this information. So now if you take a look at these lines, you would see, you would observe this green line, okay, this green line here. You would observe this green line. Okay, now this green line dates from this point all the way up to this point. So now this is my honest opinion. Bitcoin is currently facing a resistance at this price, at around $88,000. We are facing some form of resistance. Now what I need you guys to understand is this: once Bitcoin is able to break out of this price, this is really going to be very bullish for the markets in the long term. Now why am I saying this? Observe this green line. Okay, observe this green line. Now let's go back to the previous cycles. Now when Bitcoin broke below this green line, we had it drop, okay, to this point, to as low as $74,000. And I, the Crypto Prophet, I took a long position with 10x for Bitcoin at around $76,000, and I informed the premium members to do same thing, and also at around $78,000. Okay, we took positions for that price with Bitcoin. So if you backdate into the year 2024, the month of November, now when Bitcoin broke out of this same green line, we had this massive rally. Okay, look at it here, guys. When we broke out of this green line, we had this massive rally to the upside. Okay, we had a percentage increase of roughly 38% increase for Bitcoin. Okay, when we broke out of this green line. Now if you fast forward backwards, you would see that this same green line acted as an area of resistance. Okay, we broke out, but we could not maintain it, and we dropped back down. Okay, we had this breakout, dropped, had another retest, dropped again. Okay, then we finally broke out. Now if you observe here we had a breakout, no doubt, but it was not sustained. Okay, so we ended up dropping back down. Now if you still fast forward back, let's go back to time. Now guys, what will you observe? You will observe that this same green line has acted as a critical form of support in the year 2021. Now when Bitcoin crashed, Bitcoin found support on this same green line, okay, and then had this pump up, forming a massive bearish divergence, which led to the fall of Bitcoin in the year 2022. And before this happened, guys, it still dropped and touched this green line, then found support again, bounced up a bit but failed to create a higher high, and then came crashing down. And as soon as it dropped below this green line, we had a massive drop. We can keep on going on and on, guys. If you still check here again, still in the year 2020, when Bitcoin broke out of this green line, we had this massive pump. Okay, now we had this massive increase of roughly 141%. So guys, the reason why I'm actually making this video, I just want to show you guys the importance of this green line right now. Okay, and this is the line that currently Bitcoin is fighting with. We are having a strong resistance at this point. Look at it, guys. It is very, very close. As a matter of fact, it's touching this line. Look at it. Okay, look at it. It's within this region, guys. So this tells us that the month has not yet ended. Okay, the month of April has not yet ended, and I informed the premium members when we crossed into the month of April. Even before we crossed into the month of April, I informed the premium members. I told them that the month of April is going to be bullish, more bullish than the previous months. And if you check, that's exactly what has happened, because in the previous months we were trading below this area. From the month of February, March, we were trading below this area, but you guys can see that in this month of April we've broken out of this pattern, and this is a very, very good news. Just like I told you guys, I said expect more positive news in the crypto space. Don't listen to what people out there are telling you, calling for drops, calling for this, coming for that. It is not yet time, guys. When it is time, I, the Crypto Prophet, I would know when it is time, and I would inform people following me beforehand, I will let them know about what is about happening. So this is why you need people like the crypto prophets. I'm telling you, because the month of April has not yet ended. Between now, today is the 21st of April, between now till the ending of April, let's observe and see if we would have a breakout out of this pattern. If we have a breakout out of this pattern, guys, the market will be extremely bullish. I'm telling you. So if you're not in the crypto space, ensure you are in the crypto space. And before I end this video, guys, take a look at this white line now. We would most likely break out of here, then find some form of resistance as well in this white line. Okay, we can still break out of the white line, come up to this other line, this other thick white line up here, and still face some resistance. But now the good news is this: once we are able to break out of this green line, just as we did here, and we begin opening multiple candlesticks on top of this green line, okay, even getting to this white line, okay, and keep on open, guys, that means this is a bull run. I don't care whatever anybody has to say. I told you guys, I said we are in a bull run. I don't know how many persons believed me, but you see, my words are coming to pass, and so far I've led you guys through this process. I've led you through this process. I've shown you all these things. I've guided you all. I've followed everything I've said to the last. Okay, right from the stock markets, right from the policies of President Trump, right from everything, I've followed you guys accordingly and informed you all about everything. So we are at the verge of having a breakout for the crypto space. So kindly take note of my words. Do your own research. Do your own research, and you see how you take it up from there. Now, there is a major date coming before the month of April ends. I've already informed the premium members. As a matter of fact, I called these dates and told them that we are going to have a major move. I said it. I started prophesying about this from the month of March. I don't need to start showing all those things. The premium members, they know what I'm talking about. And not just that, I will still share all these things as time goes on. Okay, and you guys should know my track record. I call dates, I call time, so it's not a new thing. Okay, just like now I'm seeing, all right, I'm seeing the 12th of May. You know why I'm taking you guys that far? It's because I don't want to mention some dates close by. No, I'm just taking you far because I'm mentioning this to the general public. Okay, so the premium members don't get or don't feel cheated. So guys, take note of this: 12th of May. 12th of May. I'm saying 12th of May. 12th of May. 12th of May 2025. There's a major move coming on that date. I'm seeing it. There are other dates in the month of April. There are other dates outside 12th of May, but this would be dropped in the premium, not to the general public. So for you guys in the general public, take note of the 12th of May. The oracle has spoken. So in conclusion, trade safe, trade smart. I remain the Crypto Prophet. God bless you all. See you in my next updates. Don't forget, this green line holds a massive treasure. When we succeed in breaking out of this green line and start opening multiple candlesticks, just know that it is time. If you're getting in at this point after we've had this breakout and you're getting into the crypto space, boy oh boy, you're getting in very late. So we who took advantage of this right from this region, we are at a greater advantage. So if we have a breakout from here, just like we did here, forget the rest. I don't need to talk much. Money is here. So that will be all, guys. See you all in my next video. I remain the Crypto Prophets. God bless you. Thank you.